On this vote, the yeas are 218, the nays are 211. The bill is passed without objection. A motion to reconsider is laid upon the table.
10 years ago on this floor, I spoke about a second-term abortion that I had. It was painful, it was hard, but I did because so many on the other side of the aisle that day knew nothing about what women endure. We are not vessels for men to inject their sperm into and then walk away with no consequences. This is my body, not yours. Many on the other side of the aisle whine about the freedom that they have lost by having to wear masks. And yet, you want to take my freedom to control my body away from me. You have not carried a fetus in your body. You have not had a fetus die in your body. You have not had to mourn the loss. You stand there preaching birth, but not life. This is my body. This is my life. This is my freedom.
1 in 4 women across America have had an abortion. I am one of them. It is a deeply personal choice about control of our own bodies and the consequences of a choice that only we will have to live with. Do not criminalize me and millions of women like me across the country. Do not criminalize those that help us. Let us be clear. The cruel Texas abortion law and decades of efforts to repeal Roe v. Wade are nothing but attempts to control our bodies and our choices. Terminating my pregnancy, Madam Speaker, was not an easy choice for me, but it was my
Gentlewoman's
choice.
time has expired.
It is time to preserve that.
The gentlewoman from Colorado.
This bill codifies the content of the law of the land, Roe versus Wade. No more and no less. The overheated and incorrect rhetoric on the other side of the aisle is shameful. And it's shameful because it denies the freedom of all Americans to get the health care services that they need and to which they are entitled. Madam Speaker, we are a country of freedom, and we are a country of freedom of religion. And as a practicing Christian, I am offended by the efforts on the other side of the aisle for people to impose their personal religious views on me as a Christian. Every woman, every man in this country deserves the freedom to exercise their religion and also to exercise their ability to get the health care that they need.